Good morning, everyone. This is Peggy from Peggy Bay Designs. How is everyone doing today? I want to welcome everybody to my channel. This morning I am going to do an unboxing, and it is from Diamond Art Club. As you know, it is a round. It is named Christmas Cats. Isn't he adorable? And there, whoa, is his little friend on that side, and his other little friend on that side. And here is the picture. All I have done is took the plastic off the end here to where I could get this out, and we will take that out and look at the rest of the box before we go ahead. Okay, on the back of the box you have instructions if you are new to diamond painting. You have your content of the kit, which we will look at in a little bit. I am so sorry. I was okay until, started this. And this is right here. It says, well, let me get it thing. I've got it way up so I can hopefully get most of the canvas in the picture. Well, goodness. Unleash Your Inner Artist is what that says. It's Christmas Gifts by Eau Claire Studio. 22 by 20 inches. 55.8 by 50.7 centimeters. It has 63 colors, 3 ABs and 2 fairy dust for a total diamonds of 36,019. And like I said, this is a Diamond Art Club painting. Okay, here's our toolkit. Here is the another look. And well, I don't have any of this in the frame. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to. Oh, that's gonna make it crooked. Okay, I'm just gonna have to see if I can deal with the. Oh, love-hate relationship. Remember? Okay, we have in our toolkit. We have our twist and pick pen. It comes loaded with clear wax, and you just turn it until you start to see the wax pop up. Goodness, I don't even know if I'm getting this in frame or not. But once it is, you are ready to go. It has a place, I'm not used to it being that high, a place for another thing. I have, this has got to come down. I'm sorry. Let's do it this way. I can't see. That was just too high for me. Okay. This is a 3-placer. It would go in the back. I'll be glad when they start doing the ones for the twist. I like my threaded pin nibs. We have a bag of baggies. Supposed to be 15. Always looks like it's more, but I think it it ends up being just 15. Here is our tray, and I'm so glad to get this because this is, come on, and this is why I don't use the covers. Oh, because that's backwards. Atlas, the bottom. How you like the bottom? Ain't that pretty? That's why it wouldn't come off, wouldn't? Isn't it? Oh, it is early in the morning. I got coffee, cooking, brewing, sipping, whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, here's the tray cover. Here is an extra thing of clear wax or a heart of red wax if that's what you prefer. Okay. And we did not get the other placer, which would have been a 6, and a what is it called? A straightener. But I mean, I got plenty of those, but it's just odd that I didn't get one of those. Oh, and the tray, why I was so happy to be able to get it. It's got rounded tip things on here on both sides. The one I have, they're all the same, and it is a little, I can't wait to see if this is better for pouring the grills out. This is bigger, well, it's longer. This spout is longer, so we will see if if that's better. I don't know why I'm putting it back up. Well, I'll get it out in a little bit when I need it, because I'm going to change over to this one. Let me see if it's better. My Town of Halloween is almost done. I should finish it. Sometime work on it today and tomorrow, and hopefully have a finish for you by Friday. Excuse me. Here is a thank you for your purchase pouch. Let's see what we got in the treasure card. That looks like a bronze. It is a bronze. Look at there. Isn't it so cute? In the treasure cards, you have a spot right here that you when you take that off, I am not good with words this early in the morning. Scratch it off. There you go. You scratch that off, it gives you a code, and you get so many things, cards, and then you can get percentages off your next order, or a custom canvas. You gotta have a black card for that. It is, let's see, Diamond Art Club / redeem for these things. Here is our stickers. Okay, and here you have more instructions, tips and tricks. Join the Facebook club, Facebook group after when you get one of these, and then there's 20% off if you use your app. And that's also the kit content, and let's look. Like I said, it's 63 colors. Ooh, pretty colors, Christmassy colors. And what did I say? It was 3 ABs and 2 fairy dust. Okay, we will look at those and check and see where they're at. Let's get this back up. Let's put you down. And the box. I don't know how much. Did I? Yeah, I said how big it was. Yep. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, what about the... Well, here is the 6. I don't know if... Let's see, was the spacer anywhere? I don't see it. Okay. Well, they need better frame stuff. That just tore. This glue is on this packaging is really, I guess they don't expect you to put it back up, but, you know. Okay, here are the drills. Very Christmassy colors. And there is one of our fairy dust. I'll show you that later. Let's look at the canvas. Look at this. Oh, aren't they adorable? I don't know if you can see all of it or not. Let me roll it and get it to where it will be laying down flat. Okay. Oh, so adorable. Okay. Okay. It's not going to all be in the frame, but look at the kitties. Oh, they're adorable. There's the tree, and here is the package, the box of Christmas presents right there. I love Halloween, but now I'll be glad when November gets here so we can work on this. Ah, so adorable. And as the top says, do what makes you sparkle. We have the legend key, or whichever one you want to call it, on both sides. And there's that one. Like I said, 63 colors. Here's your lifetime warranty. Here is, oh goodness gracious. Here is their Facebook and Instagram. And here is Diamond Art Club. Use code TAKE10 for your next order. I might do that because I put a code in from one of the women that I watch. She's always got a code. Katie from Diamonds and Washi. Hers is Katie 20, and you get 20% off your order. It didn't work. They wouldn't take it. I don't understand that. Okay, here is the name. Christmas Gifts by All Claire Studios, Diamond Art Club. I guess this is a Diamond Art Club exclusive canvas. I don't know how that works, but oh God, look at this, so adorable. Okay, let's look at the drills. I think this is the most drills I have worked with. One of mine was 55 colors. The one I'm working on now is 50. So 63 is just a, I'm going to show this to you. Okay. Hopefully I can get this put back in. Okay, do we have, okay, do we have one, okay, I was wondering if we had more than one trains. Okay, let's start over here. There it is. Oh, I will get there. Okay. Oh my gosh. No, that's worse. Okay. Now, I think that's good. Hopefully. Okay, this is $8.90. This has got to be before the tree because this is a full thing of greens. 400. Okay, now here is one of our fairy dust, Z3854. It has a glitter coating on it. It's so pretty. As I said, these are rounds. 301, 310. We have 2 bags of 310. 934, 498, 501, 815, 935, 300, 129. Is that the AB? No, I think it was the AB. It might be one of the ABs. Okay. Okay, yeah. The yellow, that would probably be, we'll find out where all these are in a minute. 817, 739, 3371, 814, 318, 898, and 336. Okay, there's that thing. Yes, we're going to have fun getting these back in. Okay. 159, 3861, 738, 223, 3790, 931. Can't talk this morning. 3765, 611, 152, 3864, 315, 3857, 168. I hope y'all can see all this. 3787, 3722. And if you don't want to see the train, you can fast forward it. It won't hurt my feelings. Some people don't like looking at the drills. 3722, 826, 415, 3024, 3802, and 823. Okay, that's the second one. And we got one more train. I was not doing this until I started. $37.99. Here's our next fairy dust. Let's see, how many fairy dust did I say we had? We got 2. Okay, this is the last fairy dust. It is a white Z3865. Let me take something. This swallow of my orange juice. 824, 666, that beautiful red. I'm dying to see if that was. That's the kitty's nose. This one over here. That's her little nose. Isn't that cute? Oh, and that one too, the little white one. Got some it's probably all just more than the noses. But that's just a regular drill. But I just wanted to see where that went. 413, 520, 452, 825, 3855, 161, 414, 133. That's one of the other ABs. That has an Aurora Borealis type coverage on the top. So pretty. Love the ABs. 3860, 3808, 648, 108 is another AB. I guess that's our last AB because there's just I think there's just 3. Let me check the box. And of course I pick it up upside down. Yeah, 3 ABs and 2 berry dust. Oh, that's the last of the special. 803, 3847, 3863, and 938. Okay. Oh, here's a little. Alright. Didn't see you. 3776, 937, 842, and 939. The extra small tray. Let's see where these are. Okay, we'll start with the ABs. Okay, that's number 1. Let's see, I think it's 1, 2, and 3. So here's some 2s in this one. And 2s in his hat. 2s I can see right off. I haven't seen a 1 yet. I will get there. See, 1 is green, so it's got to be. Oh, 1s are right here in the Christmas tree. All this light green right here is number 1. It's the 108 AB, and that would be over here also. And this one, and, yep, and those limbs. Okay. Any other spot, but I don't. Oh, and the holly down here, and on this present, there's little holly and holly berries. Okay, excuse me. Oh, and got the top. I think it's called Topolin canvas. I am doing this all Willy Wonka. And it's scalloped and poked, so it does not fray. And like I said, it is poured glue, so that's good. Okay, back to the things. Okay, 133, which number 3. Seemed like if they had red on their noses, that would have been the AB. In fact, some of it is. Yep. Half of it is the 666 and the other half is the 133 AB, and that's on that one. Your nose don't shine out, baby. I'm sorry. The poor baby don't have ABs in his nose. Okay. We have number 3s in those. 2s and 3s. Let's see, is there any 1s? No. 2s and 3s in the red. Get them in frame. In the red Christmas balls. And these also, I think. Let me check. 2s. And there's some 3s right around the edge. 2s here, 3s there, 3s at the bottom. This baby right here is just all, it's got 2s all through his face. And his ears. Are y'all little boys, little girls? We would not say. I guess whoever else gets this canvas, you can decide for yourself if these are little girl kitties or little boys kitties. But look at that paw. This baby's going to be big. You're going to be a big baby when you grow up. You got big paws. Oh, I don't see any. Let's see. I don't see any more 1s. I think the 1s are just in the tree and the hollies. Okay, you got green eyes. You got 1s. He is blind. His eyes have number 1. The 103. Isn't that 103? 108. Okay, 108. I'm sorry. But yeah, got in his eyes. And all 3 of them. All 3 of them's got the 1s in their little green eyes. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Got 2s going down this package edge where the, I guess the sun or the light is hitting it, where it would shine out. Oh, and let's see if they fixed. Oh, good, it's not. It doesn't. This has got the gray lines. Yeah, I think you can see them right there. Yeah, you can see the gray lines. That's the perforations, but they don't haven't transferred to the canvas. That's good. Now for the symbols of the fairy dust. Okay, one is just a little white square, which I've seen. Okay. In his little paws, and all through him, he's got the dots. They call, well, they're little black squares in a white block, but just looks like a little white dot, a black dot. And see, in this baby, of course, since, you know, this is a solid white kitty, do you have any, well, in his hat, in his Santa hat, right there and right there, all up, well, in here, get this spot right. Yeah, and kitty is just all through the kitty's faces, except for yours. But yeah, oh, that'd be so cute. Okay, this one is a, well, it's a, and then with a line under it. But this one, let's see, well, this is, wow. This fairy dust is right here. Other than the red marking thing and the ribbon, that is all fairy dust right here. Wow, that's gonna be pretty. Okay, do you have any fairy dust in you? A little bit. Right there. Up on his little cheeks. Around his mouth and his nose. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty right in here. This baby's got some right there for, I guess, shadowing. I don't know. Just that little bit right there. And you should have some in you. I mean, you got the twos and the ones. Okay, phone. Goodness. But it don't have that fairy dust. Got right here in the hat. I just noticed that. I think that's where the light is coming from, and it's got just a little shine right there. That would probably be that. Like I said, it's in all those. Let me see. But not in the blue one. We have 4 red Christmas balls and 1 blue. Okay. But I only had 2 fairy dust, so that is where those are. Oh, that's gone. Oh, so pretty. As I said, this is Christmas Gifts by Claire Studio or Diamond Art Club. It is a 55.8 by 50.7 centimeters, or a 22 by 20. Almost a complete square. But oh, so pretty. I love it. And I am going to enter this into Emeralds and Fairy Lights, which is hosted by Lindsey. She is doing jingle drills after Drills and Chills gets over. So Drills and Chills is for, it was September and October. And I think Jingle Drills is November and December. She has a introduction video. I will put her YouTube channel. I'm not good at tagging, linking videos, so it probably won't be hard to find. So go to her channel and you can see that. But what do you think? Let's see if we can get all the kitties in the frame. Oh, they're just so adorable. It's going to be so much fun. A lot of confetti, some for the packaging, color blocking, but there's going to be a lot of confetti in the kitties. But I think it's a good mixture of both. So I just think it's gonna work out pretty quick. Let's see if we got anything in the floor. Nope. No fairy dust or anything in the floor. But we do have plenty of colors in the floor. So I guess it's a wood floor. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you like that. Give me a big thumbs up if you do. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. And until then, I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.